Hello guys, welcome back again to our channel. So today the aircon repair are here since we called them yesterday when we went to their area. They're not there and we found their number, and so we contact them and called them and talk about this aircon that we need to be cleaned up. Since every time we use this one, Scott kept on sneezing. I even cleaned this one twice a month, or three times a month. So now they're pulling the aircon so they can clean it. Oh, wow, bugatan na. That's so heavy. So mo repair mo aircon og unsa pa noy? Refrigerator. So they gonna repair also aircon and refrigerator if you have something needs to be fixed.
Naikon dito sa kusina?
Haman.
Tubig dito.
Oh, naa.
Kagi ta dire.
Ayo, magkuhan ka na may tubig diha noy.
Yeah.
We just stop that one. So they're just along the road, guys. Their office. When we went there, but they're not there. Ang akong limpyuhan permi no, ang kanang iha bitang screen.
Mayo na.
Oh, permi na ko limpyo lak, wa nag-bleach. Inig man, mao magyapon ni siya, mag-Lysol ko, mao magyapon mag inig bagpaan dal.
To masilaw man.
So that's why Scott kept on sneezing, guys. So look at this.
I think there's one in our house.
Oh my, that's really dirty.
There you go. I want to try to keep it out of the water.
Yeah,
I think I can plug it in over here.
good thing they do this today so Scott can able to sleep at night. So they can clean the inside of the aircon. It's really dirty. That's why I wonder why Scott keep on sneezing when we start using the aircon. Because I keep on cleaning this one. And then I wonder why Scott still sneezing when we start the aircon at night. Maybe the owner of this one in the house did not clean it even before. So to be sure that everything is okay also, so we called the
Paisa.
repair guy. They do also service in every house. If you want to fix something in your aircon or clean it. Yeah, it's really dirty.
Yeah.
That's why you keep on sneezing every time we use it.
That can make you very sick.
Yeah. Look at that. Wow. Yeah. Look. Even we clean this thing because the inside is so dirty.
So that's just a homemade pressure washer.
Yeah. Look at the propeller, so dirty. Look at that, guys.
Yeah.
Wow. How bad it is.
Probably saved me $500 pesos on electric bill.
Grabe.
Every 4 months.
Ah. So if we're in the highway, honey, we're gonna clean it every 4 months.
I just make a wrap.
So hopefully our house will be built in 4 months.
Okay, maghimo mamig dagbuild na mig amuan noy dito sa bunso.
So we're not going far. We'll still borrow.
Mutawag lang minimo na pod. We're gonna let them clean to aircons, guys. The one from the rental house that where Scott kept on sneezing, and the one that we bought and we used before when we were in Clarin. We used that one like 4 months. Yeah, look at that. How much horsepower is that one, honey?
I think it's a 1.5. It was just meant for one room only.
Oh yeah, the very small room.
Yeah.
That is 1/2 horsepower that we bought in Tubigon. And we just use it for about 4 months.
3 or 4. Yeah.
No, November, December, January. 3 months. Because we transfer her already by February. Look at that. It's dusty inside. Oh. This time they just wipe it and put it back together. Now they put it back to the wall. And after that they gonna try to testing it if it works good. So they're trying to testing it and it works good. The aircon now is clean.
Yeah.
Look.
Maybe I can get some sleep.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay guys, so they just finished cleaning and putting it back. We paid around 800 pesos in Philippine money, that to aircon. This one cost us for cleaning is 500 pesos in Philippine money, but in dollar it's around $10. And 1/2 horsepower cost us for cleaning 300 pesos, which is $6. So good thing now it's clean. Hopefully Scott not sneezing anymore when we use the aircon. Yeah, so we're happy about that this one is already clean. Okay guys, that's for today. Thank you everyone. Please do like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. God bless.